Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Now we discuss the next numerical question of chapter 18, Dawn of Modern Physics. Your next question is an electron move with speed 0.8 times speed of light. Find its total energy and kinetic energy in electron volt. Here you have electron which move with this speed, and when electron move with this speed you have to calculate the total energy associated with the electron, and you have to find what fraction of kinetic energy does the electron carry, and you measure the total energy as well as kinetic energy in electron volt. So first we write the given data. In your question, speed with which electron move is given, and the speed is 0.8 times speed of light. Mass of electron is known to you. This is the rest mass of electron, that's equal to 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 kg. So now you have to calculate total energy of the electron as well as you have to find the kinetic energy of the electron. Here electron is in motion and it's moving with speed 0.8 times speed of light, and you know that when any particle move with speed comparable with speed of light, then its mass dilated. So if you find the energy stated with the electron by Einstein mass energy relation, you find the energy stated with electron, total energy stated with electron, by using its relativistic mass value along with speed of light. By using this formula, that the total energy of electron is equal to relativistic mass of electron multiplied by square of speed of light. By using formula E is equal to mc square, you have to calculate the total energy of the electron. Here you use the relativistic mass. So first you have to find the value of relativistic mass of the electron. You have the value of rest mass, but when it's moved with speed 0.8 times speed of light, then you know that there is mass dilation. So first you find that dilated mass and then you find the total energy. Now by using formula of mass dilation, first you calculate the m. M is equal to m naught 1 minus b square divided by c square. You know the formula of mass dilation is m is equal to m naught 1 minus v square divided by c square. Here you have value of v 0.85, but in formula you have v square, so you take the square of this value along with c square divided by c square. This c square is cancelled with this one, so you have 1 minus 0.85 square. By solving the values, you get the relativistic mass m is equal to 17.32 into 10 power minus 31 kg. You know the rest mass. By putting all these values, you get this relativistic mass stated with the electron when it's moved with speed 0.8 times speed of light. Now by putting the values in equation of total energy, you get the total energy. Here you find the value of m is equal to 17.32 into 10 power minus 31, along with you know the value of c, that's 3 into 10 power 8, but here you have c square, so you take the square of value of c. When you take the square of this value, you have 9 into 10 power 16, but in your question you have asked that you have to find this energy in electron volt. When you solve E is equal to mc square, you get the energy in joule. So by converting your value in electron volt, you divide your value you get in joule with charge on electron. आपके पास जब आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे E इज इक्वल टू एम सी स्क्वायर, आपके पास जो रिजल्टेंट वैल्यू आएगी वो जाउल में आएगी. आपको पता है जब आप ऐसा यूनिट जो है एनर्जी का जाउल है, तो आपने जब इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट में कन्वर्ट करना होता है तो आपके पास जाउल में जो वैल्यू आती है उसको आप डिवाइड कर लेते हैं चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो आपके पास यहाँ पे यू नो डेट चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 1.6 इन 10 पावर माइनस 19. तो आपके पास जो वैल्यू आएगी इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने से सी स्क्वायर और एम की वैल्यू को उसको आप डिवाइड कर लेंगे 1.6 इन 10 पावर माइनस 19 पे. नाउ द रिजल्टेंट value you get by solving all these value is 0.97 mega electron volt. Mega is prefix, that value is 10 power 6. Now you find the kinetic energy of the electron. You know that the total energy of the electron is rest mass energy as well as the kinetic energy. आपके पास total energy जो होती है वो rest mass energy plus kinetic energy होती है. From this formula, if you find the expression for kinetic energy, you get kinetic energy is equal to total energy minus rest mass energy. So here you have the value of total energy, but you don't have the value of rest mass energy. By using same formula, that E is equal to mc square, you have to find the rest mass energy. But instead of relativistic mass, now you use the rest mass of electron. So by putting rest mass is equal to 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 kg, you have to find the value of रेस्ट मैस एनर्जी स्टेटेड विद द इलेक्ट्रॉन. अगेन आपके पास जो वैल्यू जाउल में आएगी, जो रिजल्ट आंसर आएगा उसको आप डिवाइड कर लेंगे 1.6 इन 10 पावर माइनस 19 पे. चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन है जो आपके पास जो वैल्यू आ जाएगी वो इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट में आ जाएगी. नाउ बाय पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन and rest mass energy of the electron, you have to find the kinetic energy stated with the electron when it's moved with speed 0.85 times speed of light. You get the value of kinetic energy, that's equal to 0.459 mega electron volt.